Hi guys, welcome back to the second in our series of 10 videos to walk you through Cirkled In Profile, how to create and how to showcase yourself. So hopefully you had a chance to look through the first video and work on Who Am I section. Today we will be talking about academics, how to add grades in your Cirkled In Profile. So again, as a reminder, this was your carousel that we worked on last week, your Who Am I. Under that, you will see there are professional stats as well as a high school academic snapshot. I will come back to that because first I want to start on your academic profile. So if you go to Edit Profile on your left menu, here are the 7 categories. These are research-based categories where you compile everything you do, both inside and outside school. So today, let's talk academics. What is academics? It's, of course, you know that it's the everything learning you do inside your school. So this is one place where you can actually tell what you are learning inside your classroom. And when I say classroom, it actually includes your clubs, your activities, your after-school projects, anything and everything. So the way you do, there's an add button. You say add, and now this form pops up. You select the grade. Now because Cirkled In goes all the way to college as well, so if you are a college student, you can select that. Most of the times you will probably be selecting your grade, 12th grade, 11th grade. I personally recommend using that over high school, middle school, and elementary school because that's mostly for college students. So let's say you are in 11th grade, then of course you can select all the entries that you have here based on where you live. Your current grade year, when did you start and when it most likely will be ending, your GPA, and then any IP and AB courses. So it has IP, AB courses and IB course support that you can add as well. But the thing that really differentiates you is here, your awards and achievements. And these can be very simple. It can be a science fair competition that you participated in, any clubs you ran. It can be HOSA Club, Key Club, FBLA, DECA. There are tons of clubs in all schools that you may be participating in. Any projects that you may have done. And finally, summary. This is where you summarize how current grade has been for you. And external links actually give you capabilities to show your work in action. So you can have your YouTube video links, your Vimeo video links. Now remember to separate multiple links by commas. Its directions are all here. And then uploading attachments. Very important piece. And what that is, it can be your transcripts. It can be any award certificate. It can be participation certificate. Anything and everything you can add here. And this is what it looks like. It's really nicely, neatly laid out with awards, clubs. Here is a video, for example, of my FBLA that I may have done during my 11th grade. I can put my test score if I have that, or I can put my transcripts. It's very secure, very safe. Nobody can just come in and search for you on Google or Bing. You can also take recommendations from your teachers and coaches. Ta-da! So what I mean by that is this does not have to be from your counselor or from your bio teacher, which can be very, critical. And that may go directly to college, whoever is requesting recommendation from you. But these are more of testimonials. Your soccer coach, your piano teacher in the school, or your orchestra conductor. Anybody can come in and write a quick blurb about you, attach a file or a picture, and get you bonus points. Before I go, one quick tip is share profile. Once you have started building your profile, you can actually send it to anyone you want. And it's part of the security where nobody can just come in and search for you, but you can share this profile with anyone and everyone. You can even take this link and put that in Common App for your college or another college application or another job application you may be applying. And with that, you are showcasing yourself beyond test scores, beyond GPA, and in a more holistic and authentic manner. So that's all for today. I'll see you next week. Until then, adios.